Welcome to Unit 4, Lesson 4, Positive Rational Exponents Practice Problems. Evaluate 8 to the 5/3. So, since I can break this apart to, 8 to the 5/1 times 1/3, or 8 to the 1/3 times 5/1, I know the cube root of 8 is 2, and 2 to the 5th power. 2 times 2 equals 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. So 2 to the 5th power is 32. Okay, so what we're going to do with this one, select all expressions that are equal to 64 to the 3/2 power. So my denominator is my root, 64 cubed. So the square root of 64 is 8 cubed, which is 512. So 8 cubed works, 512 works, and the square root of 64 cubed. Remember, mathematicians are lazy. They don't write like writing 2s and 1s. 2s for square roots, at least. Okay, let's write 17 to the 4/3 using radicals. The numerator is the exponent. The denominator is the root. So I got 17 to the 4th and the cube root of it. 17 is not a perfect number, so I will leave it like this, which is an exact number. All right, let's look at this oldie but goodie. An arithmetic sequence. I know that an arithmetic sequence, we add and subtract. So the first thing I'm going to write is plus and minus over top of that. K starts at 413. So how do I add or subtract and I get from 4 to 13? Well, I have to add 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So if A of 0 equals 4, my sequence is A to any number equals 4 plus 9 times any number. If A is to the 1, if I say A1, my AN equals 4 plus 9 to the N minus 1. And for N, I just stick in 5,000. And I get 4 plus 9 to the 4999. I have to calculate because I'm given 0, the 0th term. So I only need to go 4,999 times. So if I go here, A to the 1, if my A of 5,000, I just stick 5,000 minus 1. So whatever you remember from that unit, either way, is equally valid. Select all items equivalent to the square root of 24. The square root of 24 is the side length because the root of a number is the side length where the area is 24. If I get rid of that. So it's not the area. The root of a number is the side length. It's not 24 times 24. It's not volume. It's not volume. So B and C make the only sense. Which expression is equivalent to 23 to the 1/2? So if I rewrite this as the square root of 23, D is the only possible answer.